Guys, we are here at LAX going to Alaska. Okay, we are boarding now. Oh, we have a layover. Stopover from Las Vegas. That's our plane to go to Anchorage. We are boarding, guys. Oh, I'm excited. Now, time check. Look at that. 12 midnight.
Welcome to Anchorage. The local time, 11:49 p.m.
We are here at Anchorage. We're gonna stay here until 8 o'clock. And time check right now is 12 midnight. Wow. Anchorage Airport is unique. I love it. Yep, this is nice. You know, wide open design. And it's 12 midnight. Let's see what time. Look at that, it's 12:18. And still a lot of people. And the design, I'm telling you, you know, it's all outdoors, airplanes. I like it. Okay, how about if you do Uber? So this is the one at Uber right now. Just right now. So for Uber X 263, Uber XL 401, Comfort 313. So the bus is still a lot cheaper. So Uber is an option. So the pickup for the bus is here on baggage claim 1 to 3. Then you're gonna use door 1 to exit. Go past the double door and make a left. And then next to the water fountain is the bus pickup area. This is the water fountain. Low blood pressure. Bus, I think this is the one, guys. Now, if you're using the train, it will be on baggage claim 4 to 9. It's right there. It says Alaska Railroad Station. That's what you're gonna use. Right there. So in the middle of the atrium is the way to go to the railroad station. It will be here on the middle of everything. Right here, guys. So we're gonna go down and check it out. As I'm saying, guys, all over the Anchorage airport are wildlife decorations, guys. So this is the corridor that you're gonna pass through. Look, Northern Lights, baby. This is also where you will have the rental car center is through here. But the train station will be here. And the railroad station is right here. Right now it's closed. So these are the times and schedule. So 6:45 is the first one. Okay, so you really need to book it in advance. But as I said, it's better if you go to the website and check it out, man. Oh, let's see if there's an echo. Nobody's here. Woo! There's an echo. No. Alright, guys. So that's our bus right outside. It says 7 o'clock, but the driver called us and he said he's outside. We're gonna go past door 1. Today's the cruise day, so it should be a lot of people. So I'm surprised we are getting picked up first. That's our bus. Hello, sir. Good morning.
How you doing? Good?
I'm good. Thank you.
Yeah, go ahead on the bus.
Thank you, sir. Here's the bus. Hello.
Hold on.
this or a resident here, you can catch up to 20 minutes.
Wow. Just amazing. I don't know where to look.
Just park and
Left side
collect some wild berries.
or right side. Either way is magical. The beauty of nature, man. It doesn't disappoint. Even with the clouds, it actually adds to the mystique. Oh yeah, it's cold. All right, I don't know where we are now. So from Anchorage, we're in the middle point. The good thing that I like with the tour bus is the windows, man. It's huge. The windows are huge, and all the views are spectacular. You know, you go on the right side, left side, front side. It's all good. Wow. So that's the name, Alaska Cruise Transportation. Welcome aboard, ACT. It's good. Alright guys, we are here at Seward and that's our ship. It's a small ship. We are here finally at Seward, man. After a long wait at the airport, we are here finally. Seward, man. So this is the small town of Seward. This is the main city, the main town. And lots of food, man. It's a nice little area. So majority of the people here are from the cruise, man. Just waiting to embark. So right now it's 10 o'clock. And our embarkation time is 12. So we need to stay here until 12 p.m. We are here at the Kenai Forge Visitor Center. Oh, look at the glacier. It's receding. Wow, look at the marked difference from before. And tons of good information here, you know, from the sea life, from the fjords, from the killer whales, from the mountain goat, from the eagles, from the birds. It's amazing. And they have a show here.
Storm and seal oil.
We put here, I love mountain goat. Mountain goat. There. It's invisible. Mountain goat. Natural climbers. Natural climbers. Here you go. And this is the one I'm talking about, you know? Colorful. I don't know if this is 100% real, man. It looks like it. So this is the fishing area of Seward. Usually they will hang the fish that's caught today, but nothing today. It's a fishing community, Seward is, and now transformed to tourist destination because of the cruise ship, you know. And that's our cruise ship. It's a small ship. It's only like 2,300 passengers. Oh look, it's a seal. Look at that. First wildlife sighting. All right, I like this kind of direction pole. North Pole, 2072. Hawaii, 2,700. How about LA? 2003. Oh, Washington is the winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So, this is the cruise terminal. So from here, we're gonna walk there. That's our cruise ship. It's a nice little walk from the town. Town is right there, right? About, I would say 1 mile. Not bad. About 15 minutes walk. Now the good thing with the bus tour that we used is, you know, the baggage, he will bring it to the terminal, so you don't have baggage to carry. The good thing with that one is you can go to the town, Seward, so you can enjoy it. Look at these guys, amazing. You know, towering cliffs with pine trees, and then snow-capped mountains. And that's our ship. It's an old ship, but it was refurbished though on 2022, so it's like brand new inside. Waiting for our check-in. Our check-in time is 12. Finally. Woo. There you go. The Jewel. The Jewel, baby. Actually, you know, it's a good size. It's okay. This is good. Okay, first thing first, our room is not ready yet. So, you know, we are going to the Garden Cafe. It's buffet. Buffet time.